Now, let's dive into configuring your voicemail settings. You can find them under Settings, Voicemail Settings, Voicemail Settings. These are the core global settings governing your entire voicemail system. Here, we'll cover various controls that impact how voicemail functions across your system. Here are the parameters you can configure. Max message length. The maximum duration of a voicemail message in seconds. Min message length. The minimum duration required for the system to save a voicemail. Greetings length. Set the maximum length in seconds for the introductory greeting, which is often the recording of the caller's name. Max silence. The maximum silence allowed before the system stops the voicemail recording. Max login attempts. The maximum number of attempts users have to log into their voicemail box. Backup deleted. The maximum number of deleted messages that are kept in the deleted folder. Max messages. The highest number of messages a single voicemail box can store. Setting this to 0 means the voicemail box will only play a greeting and won't accept messages. Locale defines the date format used for voicemail timestamps. Note that for additional language support, you must install the locales directly on the operating system. For multiple languages, we recommend not using letters for the date format. MP3 attachments. This is an extended feature, accessible with a starter license or higher. Enabling this converts the recorded voicemail messages into MP3 files when they are sent using the voicemail to email function. Move heard message. Automatically moves heard voicemail messages to the old voicemail folder. Force name requires users to record their name for their voicemail box. Force greetings, similar to force name, requires users to record a personal greeting message. Use directory allows searching the directory when forwarding or composing the voicemail menu. Review message. Enable this to allow callers to listen to and review their recorded message before it is finally sent to the extension's voicemail box. Email date format allows you to set the date format for outgoing voicemail to email notifications using standard STRF time patterns. Common examples include the percentage uppercase A will show you the full day name. The percentage lowercase a will show you an abbreviated day name. The percentage lowercase d or the percentage lowercase e represents the day of the month in number. The percentage uppercase b will give you the full month name. The percentage lowercase b or the percentage lowercase h will give you an abbreviated month name. The percentage lowercase m will display the month number. The percentage uppercase y will give you the full year with the century. The percentage lowercase y shows the year abbreviation without the century. After making any changes, don't forget to save and apply changes.